What's up guys, welcome back to Austin Makes Stuff. This week we're going to turn this old ladder into a place to store our scrap lumber. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I did it.
I've always noticed a lot of wood laying around my shop when I was working, but I didn't realize just how much there was until we started painting and then piled it all up in the center of the room. Now I know I'm not the only woodworker out there that refuses to throw away wood, so I decided to come up with a solution for myself and maybe something you could use in your own shop. Now this ladder was really wobbly, so I had to tighten things up a bit. Next I had to get rid of some cross supports that got in the way. All there really is to do is cut a 2x4 and put it on the opposite side of the ladder as the steps to make a flat surface for your wood to lay on. Once you cut your first piece, and mine was 13.5 inches, you're going to take it to your ladder and put a level and mark on the opposite side of the ladder from the top step. And that will tell you where to put the top of your 2x4. Now my ladder flared out from the top to the bottom. My first measurement on the top was 13.5 inches, and by the time I got to the bottom it was 17 inches. Again, I'm just making sure one side is level to the other so that if I put a board down, it will lay flat across both rungs. Now I knew I wanted my ladder to be mobile, so I measured side to side where the feet hit the floor so that I could make a tray for it to set in. Now instead of storing 8-foot pieces sideways like this, I decided to stand them upright to save a little bit of floor space. But I need to make the base a little bit longer so that I can store them on their end. Now that I got the base cut, I just need to make a lip on the bottom so that anything I store doesn't roll out. After I put the 4 casters on, flip it over, guess what? Got a giant skateboard. decided to add one more caster in the middle to keep it from sagging. It's a pretty simple project and it holds a ton of wood.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe by hitting the button below. I've got a lot of new projects coming out, and I'll see you next time.